Hello friends, welcome to Code Champ, and today we are going to learn catching game in Scratch. As you can see on my screen, the theme is Santa Claus, and when I'm clicking here, I'm controlling Santa Claus with my arrow keys. If I will touch the gift, then I will gain the score, but if I will touch the bomb, then the game will over. So like this, let's start. First of all, we will go to File, create a new page. When the new page will create, just delete this cat option because we don't want this cat right now. After this, we will choose any backdrop. If you want Christmas background, then click on this upload background option. Again, I'm telling you, place your mouse here. No need to click, only place. Scroll it up, click. Now click on this upload backdrop option. After that, you can choose any backdrop. As I have already downloaded one Christmas backdrop, I'm going to take that one. Click on open. As you will click on open, it will show that it's uploading your background. Now I want to drag this background. For this, click on this arrow. Now select from upside, firstly downside, then right side. Then with the help of the dots, I can make it big so that it can set on my whole screen. Now come back to code. Now I just want to take one Santa Claus. Again, place your mouse here on the sprite one, then click here on upload sprite. After that, we will just move to the top. As you can see, choose your Santa Claus. Choose Santa Claus. Whatever you want, as I'm taking this one. Click on the open option and then it will show importing. Now my Santa Claus is here, but it has background. So with the help of this eraser, you can erase the background. Okay, as you will erase the background, you can see if you want to increase the size of the eraser, you can increase the size and then you can erase it quickly. But remember, no need to erase the dress of Santa. So like this you can do. First of all, just do till here. After that, I will tell you more. So as you can see here, I have deleted the background. The size of Santa is looking very big. So I just want to make it small. So in place of 100, I'm typing here 80. Now keep your Santa at the downside. Now I want to take one gift. So click on this sprite and we have already one gift here. So I'm going to choose this one. And also I want to draw one bomb. So come to sprite and here I'm going to take one ball who will look like a bomb. So I'm taking this one. Come to costume and here if you want to create something, suppose I'm taking this brush and with the help of red color, I just want to draw it some lines because I just want to create it like a bomb. After drawing these things, click on this T, click here and type here bomb. Now with the help of the dot, I can make it small and keep it here. If you want same thing rest, I don't want this, so I'm going to delete the other balls. If you want, then you can do the right click, duplicate it, and with the help of this color, choose this fill color and you can recolor it. If you want to make the gradient, then click on this option, then your ball color will become gradient like this. Okay, so now I have created its two background, ball A and ball B. So my gift and ball, both are ready. Now let's start a little bit part of the coding. First of all, I just want to do the coding of Santa Claus. So come to the code and the first option for all, that should be we have to set the position. So for this, we will come here on events and choose van click. And in this van click, I just want to set the position of Santa Claus. So come to motion and I'm choosing here go to X and Y. As I told you, this is -10 and -98. So you can see here it is also same. After that, I just want to move Santa Claus with my arrow keys. For this, what you can do here, you will just come on event option and choose when space key pressed. I will take it 2 times, when space key press 1 time and when space key press 2 times, second time. Now, here I'm going to choose here right arrow and I'm going to choose here left arrow. Now I want if I will press right arrow, Santa will move this side. We know very well left and right is known as x-axis. So come to motion and we will choose here change x by 10. Here also change x by 10. In right arrow it is plus 10 and in left arrow it should be minus 10. So now when I will click here, now I'm moving my arrow keys and you can see my Santa Claus is moving properly. I hope till here everything is clear. So firstly do till here, then I will tell you more. So I hope till here you have completed. So now I want to drop down the list. I want that the gift will come down and go up again and again like this. For this, we will come to the gift coding. First of all, we will set the position of the gift. So first of all, we will click on event and choose when click. As you know very well that we want to set the position. So come to motion and choose here go to X and Y. After taking go to X and Y, because this is the game, so score is compulsory. We will come to the variable. What is variable? Variable is a command which define the items or which define the values. So we will come to the make a variable option and my variable name is score. Choose for all sprites and click on OK. Now I'm taking this one. You can also choose for one sprite also. This is your choice. Now I just want to set my variable and my variable name is score. So I will keep it here because whenever we will click on this green flag, my score becomes 0. Now I want that the gift will come randomly, sometime here, like this. So for making it randomly, go to the motion and choose go to random position and keep it under set score. So whenever I will click, you can see my gift is moving random position. After this, I want to set the position also. So at the top side, you can understand this is plus 180. At the bottom is minus 180. So I want to keep it top. So I will come to motion and choose set by. You know very well top and down y-axis, left and right x-axis. I want to keep it at the top. So we will choose set by to 180. So whenever I will click on when click, it will come at the top like this. Now I want that it will come down step by step. Down means minus. So come to control and choose forever. Now I want to keep it down. So change by. Here we will choose change by minus 5 so that it can come down. Now you can see when I'm clicking here, it's coming down, but it's not going up. So I want that it will go up also because whenever I'm clicking, then it's going up. Otherwise, it will not go automatically. So I want it will go up. For this, come to operator and we will choose the condition. So firstly, we'll come to control and choose the condition if. In this if condition, as I told you that the down one is the minus 180. So we will come to operator and choose less than minus 180. And what is minus 180? My by position. So in the motion, you will get this by position. It means if my by position is less than 180, same command you will use like go to random position and set by. So I'm going to duplicate this one. So the condition is this, if the position is minus 180, then again it will go upside randomly. Now you can see my gift is moving down and it's coming up, down, up automatically without clicking anywhere. The reason I have set the position with condition. Now just to till here, rest I will tell you in the next class. Okay, be continue.